Your grip really controls the head of the club with every single shot that you hit. So over the next few weeks, if you can improve your grip and go out and make sure it's near perfect, then your golf has to improve, your consistency has to improve. What's good about doing the drill the next couple of weeks is that you actually won't be able to hit a ball and find out it's too uncomfortable or it feels wrong. So if you just hold the club in your hands for a few minutes every day until it gets comfortable, then you'll surprise yourself when you go out on the golf course, because it won't feel so foreign to you. Any grip change is always scary, no matter what your handicap is. So a few things to check out for with your grip is it's got to sit mostly in your fingers. So with your left hand, the top three fingers of your left hand are basically going to hold the club, with the top of your hand pushing down on the club, and then this little fat fleshy piece of skin, we call it the heel pad, needs to sit on top of the club. So if the fingers are in place and you push the top of your left hand over onto the grip, then this line here that you see is going to point towards your right shoulder, where your sleeve starts, and then from the front we're going to be able to see 2.5, maybe 3 knuckles. With your right hand, you need to make sure your right hand and the club face are pointing in the same direction so that they can work as a unit. So your right hand, your palm's going to face the same direction as your club, and then you're going to cradle your fingers around the grip so that once again this line here between your thumb and your forefinger points to where your sleeve starts on your right shoulder. If you get this right, you should really feel that the club's sitting predominantly in your fingers. This in turn will help your wrist work correctly, and apart from controlling the club head, will create a lot of club head speed, because your grip directly influences your wrists, and your wrists influence how much speed you create in your swing.